Yeah, time to get a check of the forecast with meteorologist Whitney Huddleston. Whitney, the past few days it's just been hot.
And it's going to be hot again, y'all. I'll go ahead and just let you know. So if you're about to leave for work or something like that and you want to plan your walk or jog outside, I would try to do it early again today. I made that mistake last week and nope, I've been super careful. I'm doing it as early as possible because I just know it's going to be hot and humid. The humidity is what I felt when I stepped out of my house early this morning. Yeah, it's quite balmy out there and 73 degrees right now. Looking out over Temple, we've got partly cloudy skies in place. It is quiet though, traffic moving nicely for right now. All eyes down on the Gulf, and I will talk about what potentially here in the coming hours is going to be our first tropical storm of the season, called Alberto is going to be the name of it. But quite yet this morning, right now we're just in the 70s. We're similar to yesterday morning's commute. It is quiet, traffic moving nicely. No rain on radar for Central Texas quite yet. Let's get straight to it and show you this blurb is what I've been calling it all morning because it is just not very organized, which is great news for the Gulf Coast. As it approaches land, potentially here in the coming hours, it does become a tropical storm. Going to have winds gusting up to about 40 miles an hour. So still, like I said, not so bad. It's going to be the localized flooding. Some folks down to the west of Houston near Corpus, Port Aransas, and places like that that get clipped by this storm and get quite a bit of rain. I'm talking like 6+ inches of rain. That's where most of the brunt of the flooding is going to be. The good news being it is tracked a little bit further south, and it looks like it is not going to linger around too much on Thursday. So here in Central Texas, as this very slowly clips basically the southern half of Texas, including our viewing area, some of us only get about 1/2 inch of rain. Some of our southern counties, more like a few inches of rain. We could see isolated localized flooding, but it's not going to be a whole lot. Now, if you had plans to travel near Corpus, obviously down there is where it's going to catch the brunt of it as it treks. The center of it is slated to be near Brownsville and south of there into Mexico. But as you can see already early this morning and really the next 48 hours or so down towards the Gulf, they're going to get multiple rounds of rain over and over and over. Briefly touching on the South Fork fire in Ruidoso, New Mexico. A lot of you may have vacation plans there this summer. Be aware they have a what is now an out-of-control wildfire situation early this morning. Just to let you know about that, they have now evacuated town. So definitely thoughts and prayers out to Ruidoso, New Mexico this morning. Now here at home, again, if you're just waking up, we're talking about a tropical system headed in our direction that will bring us some rainfall tomorrow. But right now we are nice and clear. Water vapor imagery showing that system. Quite a bit of cloud cover off to the east of Houston right now. And as that inches to the north throughout the day today, you're going to see that cloud cover shift a little bit west into the eastern portions of our strait. Now we are all going to feel the heat too this afternoon. Heat index value, max value, it's going to feel like about 97. It is going to be hot. It is going to be humid. Isolated thunderstorms possible, similar to yesterday, likely staying east of I-35. Now the brunt of it's going to be tomorrow. Like I said, you can see by tomorrow evening it is peaking, and Austin pointing south is going to catch the brunt of it, but our viewing area, there could be isolated amounts of up to 3 inches of rain as these rounds of rain move through. It is just going to be warm and balmy tomorrow with isolated to scattered thunderstorms throughout the day. Now Thursday morning, it's already starting to clear out, okay? It's going to move through rather quickly. Tomorrow is going to be the brunt of it again if you just woke up. After that, it clears out. If you have weekend plans outside, don't worry. They should not get rained out. Again, this thing is going to move onshore tonight into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, we'll be covering this all morning on Texas today, and same thing all the way through the evening hours when it peaks in Central Texas, and then it's out of here by Thursday morning, which is good news. Extended rainfall forecast. This could vary, but potentially our southern counties get several inches of rain tomorrow. We'll have to wait it out and see. These tropical systems, as you know, can be quite funny in the way that they act. But look at this weekend, you guys. Sunny.